Good day all. My name is Adamu Abubakar Isa, as you can see from here. I'm from Nigeria. I'm a Muslim. I had my first degree, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering at Sokoto, Nigeria. I have my Master's in Computer Engineering at Cyprus International University. I also have past experiences in Sahara Computer Networks, which deals with engineering. I had experiences with Etisalat Telecommunications, Kano, Nigeria. And I'm also a youth service member of Nigeria. The following will explain what we need in computer. First of all, we have to learn about the computer as general. We give it a try. Is it going to be possible or not? It all depends on you. We examine how your skills and interests connect to computer science. We explore the paths to careers, and we consider the next steps. This is just an illustration of some pioneers in computer. As it is said by this gentleman, Leo Chen, the computer is incredibly fast, accurate, and stupid. Sorry for using those words, but man is unbelievably slow, inaccurate, and brilliant. The marriage of the two is a force beyond calculation. That's what he concluded there. So here now, we also say everybody in the country, that is in a nation, should learn how to program a computer because it teaches you how to think. What is computer science? First of all, computer science is when you solve a problem in a way that computer can also help you solve it. You know, computer only needs a user to understand it. It will communicate, solve the problem, design, and imagine. These are the specialties as a computer science beginner, learner, and maybe as you plan your degree. We have specialties in computer engineering as a system analyst in analyzing results, software engineer, network engineer, database administrator, system-based administrator, game developer, and so on. Why computer science? For variety of jobs. And you also have a degree, first degree, second degree, and maybe your doctorate. IT is information technology. It is growing very fast. According to the US government, this survey was done. According to the Money Magazine, the Labor Department, and the CNN, you can view. We have the Association for Computing Machinery. It's an association related to computer and many more. You can find many things and opportunities under there. Continuation. We study computer for creativity, intellectual challenge, helping others, flexibility, lifelong learning. Why computer science and engineering this time around? It impacts us to advance in computing drive advances, to advance in power of the economy. This unbelievable cool. Why are computer scientists? Why do they have us? They are you and me. This is very important. They are you and me. Those are the scientists. Because in one way or the other, you use your initiative, I use mine, we work together. World-class athletes, poets, artists, musicians. The guys among us use computer mainly for music and videos. We, the scientists, sorry, me and you, we are supposed to use it as for learning, searching the internet, surfing the website. Politicians also. Democracy in particular, we use computers also to manipulate values. What can I do with this major computer science? Art, business, entrepreneur, many things. Software, web, we use it for health research, analysis of heart diseases, diagnosis. We call them expert systems. We have security, because if you don't have security, the Facebook has the Twitters. If I have your account, I can always tweet something bad about you because I have your details. But if I don't have anything, I can only see your post and share. It's used in telecommunication. A very good example of this telecommunication is our networks. In different countries, we have different Vodafone. In Nigeria, we have MTN, Etisalat. In Turkey, where I studied, they have Telsim, Turkcell, and others. We also have the VoIP. Over the internet, we can also, that's the cheapest, I think, international call. Computing systems. The computing system consists of computer, hardware, and software. A computer is a machine, just like they've taught us in our small schools. It's a machine that helps us simplify problems according to a program. The hardware is what I'm touching right now. The computer, mouse, everything is an hardware. The software is what is making me to do this presentation right now. It's called a Microsoft Office, PowerPoint, Word, as a software. We have also the computer hardware, just like I explained now, the CPU. We cannot see the CPU of this because this is a personal PC. For those that have desktop at home, you know a CPU, central processing unit, and it consists of a processor and an arithmetic logic unit. The internal memory, the ROM and RAM. RAM is random access memory, read-only memory is for RAM. We have the external hard disk. We have the ones you can connect using USB. We have the one connected with the computer. Now this is just a general organization of how a computer looks like. The internal memory, you cannot see that. The external memory, which are the output of what you get. So this is just logically what we mean. Internal memory, we have the processor, IOU, that is the CPU. So the processor together with this, without this processor, the computer will not be active. Input is when I type or what I give to the computer. You know, it works based on instruction. That's how we define. Then any result I get after typing, printout is my output. Types of computers now. We have the personal PCs, we have the workstation. Generally, if you go to the cafes, we have them. And we have the super computers, the ones we use mainly in movies, series, and they are extremely fast. This is also a computer software, just like we saw hardware before. I am the user. I install an application software, the operating system, which without it the computer will not work. And we also have the hardware. So this is just a spiral demonstration of a software. The operating system, OS we call it, is an interface between the user and the hardware.